Welcome to Code Funhouse. Today we're learning about JavaScript conditionals, if and else statements. These tools help us make decisions in our code, like in a game. Let's explore how if and else help our programs make choices. Lesson 1. What are conditionals? What are if and else? Conditionals let us make decisions in our code based on conditions. Imagine you're playing a game, deciding to jump over an obstacle or keep walking. That's what conditionals do. We use if to say, if something is true, do this, and else to say, if it's not true, do something else. Lesson 2. How do if statements work? How does if work? Let's look at a simple example. If it's sunny, you might decide to play. Here's how conditionals work in JavaScript. Head over to your Code Funhouse IDE and type, let weather equal sign sunny, if weather equal sign sunny, console log, it's sunny, let's play. We check if the weather is sunny. If true, the program prints, it's sunny, let's play. Lesson 3, adding the else statement. What if the condition isn't true? We use else to tell the computer what to do when the condition is not true. JavaScript, let weather equal sign rainy. If weather equal sign sunny, console, log, it's sunny, let's go outside and play. Else, console, log, it's rainy, let's stay inside and play video games. If it's rainy, the second message appears. It's rainy, let's stay inside and play video games. Lesson 4. Using if, and else for multiple choices. What if there are more than two choices? We have different weather conditions, sunny, rainy, and snowy. Use else if to add more options. JavaScript, let weather equal sign snowy. If weather equal sign sunny, console.log, it's sunny, let's go outside. Else if weather equal sign rainy, console.log, it's rainy, let's stay inside. Else if weather equal sign snowy, console.log, it's snowy, let's build a snowman. Else, console.log, the weather is unusual, let's relax at home. This code prints different messages based on the weather. It's like giving the computer multiple options. Fun activity. Write your own if and else statement. Here's a fun challenge. JavaScript let age equal sign 10. If age equals sign 13, console.log, you are a teenager, else console.log, you are still a kid. Change the age to see what happens. And that's how if and else statements work in JavaScript. These conditionals help your programs make decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro at writing smart programs. Bye.